welcome back to Love Area Favorites. I'm going to cook some spare ribs, steamed spare ribs today. So I'm gonna show you how I usually cook it and what ingredients I usually use. So here is the first tray. We have chopped garlic here, some red chilies. I have this soaking fermented black beans. So you just have to soak it for a few minutes in the cold water. We have this chicken broth that I made. This is a natural one. And we have some peanut oil, or you can use any oil if you wanted. We have this light soy sauce. Another tray is we have some salt, some rice wine vinegar. Usually, this is a Chinese Shaoxing wine, I think. Some cornstarch or corn flour, some brown sugar, and of course we have some spare ribs here that's been cut. You can cut it anything you like. So this is. So I just need to put the peanut oil, our black beans. This is how it looks like. Add it on. We can add our salt and sugar, and just cook it for at least 1 minute. And then we can add our chicken broth, soy sauce, and our rice wine, and just cook it for 10 seconds. And just mix it together, massage the meat to the sauce. And then after this one, we need to leave the meat for at least an hour in the fridge. So we just have to cover it with cling film, okay? So this has been marinated for an hour. Just have to mix it again. And then we have to put the cornstarch in. So just sprinkle it all over the meat. There you go. And then just massage it again to the meat, making sure that all of it has cornstarch in. Our garlic, we just have to sprinkle it on top together with the chili. If you want more chili in your food, you can put more, but I don't like it. I'm not a chili person. There you go. Sprinkle it, and then there you go. We are ready to cook this. So our water is boiling now. We need to place our meat. Have this one here, and there you go. We have to steam this one for at least 45 minutes and just leave it like. So halfway through your cooking, this is optional, you can add some cilantro or parsley on top of this. And then just, so I'm just gonna get some. And we have our spare ribs. Looks so good. So I'm just going to eat now. So good. You guys should try to cook this one. Noah, I'm going to continue eating now, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Sorry, my mouth is full, so bye bye.